Got him. Got him, Serge. Jagger.
Just in time, authorities found a teenager who went wandering in the woods ahead of a severe snowstorm. Police in Bel Air, Maryland, say when they received the call, it organized a multi-agency effort to locate the autistic 15-year-old boy.
Footsteps over here. He milled around over here, then crossed over.
Authorities say they considered the situation to be life-threatening, not only because of the weather, but because of the proximity of nearby waterways. State troopers and canines joined the local police and the sheriff's department. Following footsteps and witness information, rescuers went looking for the teen into the wooded area, and they say canine Margot sniffed him out quickly.
Are you cold?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, put this on then. Let's keep it warm. Okay, put this on.
The teen was checked out by a medical team and was uninjured. He was then reunited with his family. A crisis averted before the snowstorm swept through the region. For Inside Edition Digital, I'm Mara Montalbano.